Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your address on the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you move locations, and so you want your groceries to be delivered elsewhere. How do you actually go ahead and update your address on the Instacart app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. Then from here, click on Settings. Next, click on Address. And so here, you can actually edit your current address or add a new address and also keep your previous address here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your address on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.